Hey Nicole, I'm going to give you just a few little tiny corrections. The changes you've made to your ad are great. You've got a logo. It's still a little disjointed. As far as the N and the C aren't really working well together. Let's take just a second and look at that. I would encourage you to use either a higher resolution image or use or draw the little dogwood. But if you can make the resolution of this a little bit better, then I think it'll be fine. I would go ahead and just put the N and the C side by side in the black and the white square instead of stretching it out like this. But that's your call. I'll let that be something you decide. These you can probably, instead of stacking them and taking up so much space, you could just run it across the bottom in a straight line. Here, for some reason, it's not letting me get to your ad to make any changes to it. Let me see if I can fix that. Yeah, here we go. Sorry, I am not at my normal workstation. And this, I'm using a different mouse and it's not being agreeable. Okay, I would just center this under it so you create a column of text. And then here, what you have right here is called a widow, and that's when you have one word on a line. So I would force always to be down there with fresh. And I know you'll do this, you have the real file, so you'll be able to do this more neatly than I can. But fresh and always, put those on the same line. You could even put the word the on this line to make that line longer. But regardless, the goal is to get rid of the widow. So you want to get rid of this word on a line all by itself. So, you'll do it right. It's something like that. The period's kind of weird in a different color. I know you're trying to stick with your theme, but well, and it needs punctuation. I don't know. I guess I'd go ahead and make it white because it stands out so much being black. Maybe I'd just go ahead and make it white. Other than that, those few changes I made, we're missing some, I don't know what happened here, but the main goal is to make sure that your words are all in a column. After that, I think you're done with this. So just those tiny minimal changes because you were able to make so many great changes on it before. Thanks, Nicole.